Hey guys, welcome back to another Amazon tool review, something I want to take the junkyard today. What I've got today is this mini Stubby Ratchet. It's from a brand called, well, I can't read that. Hordesu, I don't know. It's off of Amazon and it's $9. This is a 1/4-inch drive, 90-tooth ratchet. On the back here, you may be able to see that. There you go. It does have a 1/4-inch bit holder on one side. Again, the 1/4-inch drive on the other for your sockets, and it does come with the 3/8 inch adapter. Overall size is 3.5 inches. Left to right in this image, 3.5 inches. And then if we look at this way, top down, we are just under 1 inch thick. Now that is not including that adapter. That does, of course, add some length to it. But it's going to be interesting to try it out. You know, when I put it in my hand, it can only get 2 fingers on there, kind of the third a little bit, but don't have much of a grip on it. But I think for a lot of things, it could be really quite useful and practical. And, well, I just wanted another tool. Yeah, you know, if you're watching this, you probably like to buy tools. It's just fun. I've been wanting a Stubby Ratchet for a while to try out. I thought the other day I'll just check Amazon and see what was out there. And again, this is like $9. But there's a bunch of brands. They're all about the same price, $9, $10. I do recommend, in my opinion, go ahead and get the 3/8 inch, the one that has a 3/8 inch adapter. I thought that it was kind of neat having the 1/4-inch drive. So if I want to use this Phillips head here, I can simply pop that in there and utilize that that way. And you know, a lot of it's going to have a lot of different bits. And today I hope to go to the junkyard and utilize this as much as I possibly can. But yeah, so that's what we got. We're going to use it out today when we go to the junkyard, and I hope it works out okay. If anything, it makes for a cool little fidget toy, just something to play with in your pocket. I had it in my pocket yesterday at work, and whenever I was in a meeting, just something to kind of mess with. Just something to mess with. So $9 on Amazon. Now let's go to the junkyard. Let's see how it works out. So here we are at the sidekick. I have put that 10mm socket on. I'm going to try to take off that bolt there. And I have not, it's going the wrong way. I have not touched this before. I've not loosened it. This shouldn't be very tight anyway, but yeah, that works pretty good. That's all right. You don't have a whole lot of leverage, but for these little body panel ones, let's check this fender one here. Try and get it flush. Yeah, it's not bad. Works all right. Now, I showed you a second ago, I showed you a Phillips head bit, and that is because on this end, so we kind of focused here on that 1/4-inch drive with the 3/8 adapter, but on this side, you can actually put in a bit, the bit that I just showed you will actually fit right in there. 1/4-inch drive bit will fit in there. Now, will this be useful? I'm trying to do this with one hand, so apologies. I've already loosened this, but I mean, it works, I guess. That's maybe a bad example. Let's try this one up here I've not touched yet. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. Apologies. And heck. And the joys of me not doing any editing because I have no abilities means you get to see that fly off because of my clumsiness. So congrats. That's not going, and I think it may be due to the bit size being a little bit too small for this, but the bit's fine. It's just tearing up the nuts some. But anyway, $9 on Amazon. I just searched Stubby Wrench and gave me several options. Again, I would say get the one that has a 3/8 adapter on it. Oh, that was tough. And might be fairly useful. I'll use it some more today while I'm at the junkyard. Actually, I'll try to use it exclusively and see how it goes. But I think for $9, it's worth just picking one up to play with, and hell, makes a good fidget toy, I guess, you know. Anyway, y'all take care. Thanks for joining in again for some odd reason, but I appreciate it. Oh, I didn't stop the video. Oh, hell. Well, the video's not stopped.